Alright, check this out, check this out. We're using one of them Fenders that Cecil's sister let us keep from redoing hers. And we got some new merchandise out. Jacob, look at us real quick. Word, word. We got hats of all sorts of color. And we also got red hoodies, navy blue hoodies, more gray hoodies. And we're gonna have some custom, even more custom hoodies coming. And Sean's out here in one of the older hoodies, but it still looks good even though he's using it as a work hoodie. I love it though. That's what they're made for, baby. Getting the name out there though.
I'm about to paint it. Fuck it.
Look at what the fuck you did.
Holy shit. Did you see? On the DCs.
On the DCs.
It just fucking came on there and painted them bitches.
That is egg.
Are you ready, Josh?
Yeah.
Jesus fucking Christ. Like that. That's a nicely painted panel right there.
It looks pretty mint, yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. It's gonna have bugs in it. Looks like it's already got one.
It's gonna have bugs.
Nah, they like the scent.
I know.
That's like literally perfect. I did that really nice. I went light down there, but it's alright. Up here is solid. We're gonna lay base coat tonight, Josh. Show the camera. That shit's pearled, boy. Oh my god. Look, always touch the tape first. Tap, tap, tap. Nothing on my finger, so it's dry. Feel that. Look, bugs in it. Told you. Look.
Bugs.
Let's see. Did I get all the edges? Yes, sir. I missed that edge. I even got down here, right? Oh, missed this edge. Damn. It's alright.
Yeah, here you go. Sing it.
Yeah. It needs more of the sauce. It's starting to grip it. That's how you know you need more sauce, when it starts gripping it. If it's not floating, give it more sauce. Give it some sauce. Huh?
What if it is weed killer?
Fucking.
You got all.
Yup.
You better eat bread with this.
Yes.
It's the weed killer. It would be nice to have a block right now, but it's alright. But you seen how fast I did that.
Smooth, smooth, smooth.
Can you give me another napkin? It's on the garage floor. Alright, you give me this too. I need to just be one with the earth. You stay back too. 5 feet. Okay. I need to get a good feel for this can. Oh, it's
Definitely gonna need another coat, but this one's coming out good.
a nice bottle for a rattle can. Alright, that one, that's a heavier coat. That needs a flash for zone. Like 10 minutes.
Another coat.
The wind is just fucking robbing it, bro. This is gonna be terrible.
This is why we need that booth set up. Oh.
Good thing this is just a hoopy fucking around.
It doesn't help that it's dark.
I ain't even worried about down there. Up here is where I need to put more of the paint.
You're gonna be running out of paint here soon.
Dry right there. That's a little dry. That's nice. That's all. You see how that's really dry? You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
That's okay looking. That all looks pretty good right there. Expect this spot right here is really nice. I'm telling you, that'll turn out pretty good. Nice color. Give it 5-10 minutes and then clear coat it.
See, do it again. See that color?
That's ready for clear coat. Like
See that color?
darkish blue almost. Lightish blue.
Or
Look, it's shiny on camera. Alright, watch out. I'm discovered. Golf friend, 2K golf.
look at the fucking cherry picker all primered up and shit.
It looks cool now. Because the wind was taking it everywhere. Like, I wasn't spraying all the way down there.
It's in the yard to the left. Right there.
So this thing's never even open. It's not a good tip on. But let's go. Practice, baby. Oh my god.
Taking it away.
Is that already up on?
Yeah. Something.
Got clear coat on it. This shit ain't glossy at all. So we gotta put 20 more fucking coats. If it wasn't windy, I could. You can see the garage in it. That one spot looks good. There's a run in it still. But you can see that one spot where I actually put a bunch of clear coat. It's shiny. I can see the whole garage in it. The back, I can see the bikes in it. There's not even a lot of peel in it. Let me polish it now. Oh, there you go. Look. Two fingers.
He giving her that 2-finger singing.
What did he say?